Craving something crispy, cheesy, and absolutely irresistible? These crispy potato cheese balls are the perfect bite-sized snack that melts in your mouth with every crunch. Whether you're hosting a party, looking for a quick evening snack, or just in the mood for something delicious, this recipe is a must-try. Stay tuned as we show you how to make these golden, crunchy delights at home. Before we begin, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need to make these crispy, cheesy delights. We'll start with the heart of our recipe, russet potatoes. Their starchy texture makes them perfect for a fluffy consistency. Next up, the cheese. Sharp cheddar cheese is a classic choice. We'll use 1½ cups shredded. Make sure to grate it finely for even distribution. To bind everything together, we'll use ½ cup of all-purpose flour. This helps give our mixture the right consistency. 1 large egg to help the balls hold their shape. The egg acts as a binder, ensuring everything sticks together nicely. A teaspoon of salt will enhance the flavors. It's a simple addition that makes a big difference. And of course, a pinch of black pepper adds a little kick. It brings a subtle heat that balances the richness of the cheese and potatoes. From mash to masterpiece, crafting your potato cheese balls. First, we cook the potatoes. Boil them until tender, drain them well. Let them cool slightly. Then it's time to mash. Mash the potatoes until smooth. No lumps here. Add the shredded cheese, flour, egg, salt, and pepper. Mix everything together gently. Now, the fun part. Scoop up some potato mixture. Roll it into a ball. Make sure it's not too big. A golf ball size is perfect. Repeat until all the mixture is gone. Now that the mixture is ready, it's time to bring these potato cheese balls to life. Heat about 1 inch of oil in a skillet until hot. Carefully place the potato balls in, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Fry for 3-4 minutes per side until golden brown and crispy. Remove with a slotted spoon and place on paper towels to absorb excess oil. Now, the moment of truth. Grab a hot cheese ball, break it open, and watch the gooey cheese stretch. A satisfying, mouth-watering cheese pull that makes every bite worth it. And there you have it. Potato cheese balls perfect for any occasion. Enjoy them on their own or elevate their presentation for an impressive appetizer spread. Pair them with sour cream and chives for a cool, creamy contrast, or serve with marinara sauce for a tangy kick. Ranch dressing also makes a delicious dipping option. Whether as a fun snack for kids or a party platter centerpiece, these bite-sized treats are always a hit. So what are you waiting for? The kitchen is calling your name. Head to the kitchen, try this recipe, and enjoy every crispy, cheesy bite. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes.